Prime Minister Narendra Modi will participate in two important trilateral meetings with world leaders in Argentina's capital, during which they would discuss major global challenges and developments. Prime Minister Modi, who arrived in Buenos Aires to attend the G-20 summit, will participate in the first ever trilateral meeting between Japan, America and India, and the second Russia, India, China trilateral, which is taking place after 12 years on Friday. Unilever's chief executive Paul Polman will step down next month after 10 years in the job, leaving insider Alan Jope to step into his shoes after the Anglo-Dutch group's failed attempt to shift its headquarters. A UK investor revolt forced Polman and the Unilever board to scrap a plan in October to move the headquarters of the dual-listed company, which makes Dove soap and Ben & Jerry's ice cream, to the Netherlands. At the helm since January 2009, 62-year-old Polman generated big returns for shareholders totaling 290% over the period and expanded its presence in emerging markets. The land for a proposed India-UAE-Saudi Arabia oil refinery in Maharashtra will be allocated in the coming weeks, a UAE envoy said on Thursday as he sought to assuage New Delhi's concern over fuel deficit in view of US sanctions against Tehran. The remarks by Emirates envoy Ahmed Al-Bana on the allocation of land in Maharashtra's Ratnagiri district came at a time when the project was facing opposition from the locals as well as political parties, including the Shiv Sena. Chinese handset maker Oppo has said its India managing director Yi Wang will step down effective November 30th. The company, however, did not give any reason for the decision. It is yet to name Wang's successor. India is a key market for smartphone players as it continues to grow at a strong pace. According to research firm IDC, smartphone shipments in India touched an all-time high of 42.6 million units in July to September 2018. A Chinese internet technology firm is planning to launch a constellation of 272 satellites by 2026 with an aim to provide free Wi-Fi service worldwide and rival global tech giants like Google and SpaceX, according to a media report. LinkSure Network, founded in Shanghai in 2013, markets itself as a global innovative mobile internet company specializing in free internet access, content and location-based services on its official website. It unveiled its first satellite in the constellation plan on Tuesday. Wang Jingying, CEO of LinkSure Network, said the company will invest $431.4 million into the plan. Skilled professionals from India dominated the landscape of work visas issued by the UK government over the past few months, according to official statistics released on Thursday. South Korean companies have expressed willingness to invest, especially in IT companies in states such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and in Chandigarh, an official said on Thursday. Korean companies are keen on developing information technology, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, smart factories and infrastructure projects, including smart cities, transportation and power generation and transmission. As a political row broke out over the back series GDP data, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley yesterday jumped in to defend the downward revision in growth rates during the previous UPA regime, saying the new numbers were reflective of real state of the economy. With his predecessor P. Chidambaram calling revised GDP growth rates a bad joke and a hatchet job, Jaitley took the attack to the opposition camp, saying the Congress leader had previously welcomed the GDP numbers based on a new series when the data was revised upwards for the last 2 years of the UPA regime, but is now criticizing when the same formula has been used to restate the number of previous years. The new numbers show India's economic growth rate averaged 6.7% during the Congress-led UPA regime as compared to 7.3% under the present government.